Hey everyone, here is the continuation of the Module 5 practice test. So this is the back side of the test. It starts with some evaluating. So we're going to plug the numbers in for the correct variables, and then we're going to simplify using order of operations. So for number 20, we're going to start with 20 times negative 2 plus 3 times 5. 20 times negative 2 is negative 40. 3 times 5 is 15. And negative 40 plus 15 is negative 25. For number 21, 4 times s is going to be 4 times negative 3. I'm going to change this to plus negative 3 times 5. 4 times negative 3 is negative 12. Negative 3 times 5 is negative 15. And negative 12 plus negative 15 is going to be negative 27. For number 22, I'm going to start with the negative symbol that's there. And it's going to be the opposite of negative 2 times negative 3 times 5. Plus negative, and then s is negative 3, and t is 5. So in the front here, the opposite of a negative becomes a positive, and then the opposite of this negative becomes a positive. So I can get rid of those right away if I want to. So now I'm going to multiply. So 2 times negative 3 is negative 6. Times 5 is going to be negative 30. And then 3 times 5 is 15. Negative 30 plus 15 is negative 15. Number 23 is just order of operations. So 23 through 28 are going to be our PEMDAS or GEMDAS, however you would like to say it. So I've got 56 divided by 8 first, which is 7, plus 4 times 2. Then I'm going to do 4 times 2, so 7 plus 8, and 7 plus 8 is 15. On number 24, I'm going to start all the way on the inside of my parentheses. So I'm going to have 3, 12 minus 8 is 4, plus 15 is inside the brackets, so I'm going to do 4 plus 15 next. So that's going to be 3 times 19. And 3 times 19 is 57. In number 25, I'm going to divide first. So 12 divided by 4 is 3, plus 8 is 11. In 26, we're going from left to right. So I'm going to do 16 divided by 8 first. That's 2. And then 2 times 2 is 4. On 27, I'm going to subtract first, so 12 plus negative 3 times 3. Now I'm going to multiply, so I get 12 plus negative 9, and 12 plus negative 9 is 3. On number 28, again, left to right again, so 17 minus 10 is 7, and 7 plus 3 is 10. 29, 30, 31, and 32, we are going to evaluate. So again, plugging in those values and then simplifying using order of operations. So for number 29, I won't make it too big. I've got 7 times 12. I'm going to do plus negative 1 to get rid of the minus sign. And then 4 plus 9. So I'm going to do my parentheses first. So 7 times 12 plus negative 1 times 13. Now I can do my multiplication. So 7 times 12 is 84 plus negative 13. 84 plus negative 13 is going to be 71. For number 30, I've got 5 times z, which is 12, minus 4 times x, which is 9, plus 3 times 4. Again, I'm going to do the inside of my parentheses first. So I've got some multiplication to do first. 5 times 12 is 60. 4 times 9 is 36. Plus 3 times 4. 60 minus 36 is 24. So I've got 24 plus 3 times 4. So then I've got 24 plus 12, and 24 plus 12 is 36. For number 31, I'm going to do x, so 9 times y is 4 over 3 plus 2. I'm going to do the top of my fraction first, so 9 times 4 is 36, divided by 3 plus 2. 36 divided by 3 is 12, plus 2 is 14. And then for 32, I've got 20 minus 2 times 9. So I've got 20 minus 18, which is 2. Number 33 says to write the standard form and the exponential form of 4 times 4 times 4 times 4. So exponential form is going to be 4 squared. Not 4 squared, 4 to the 4th power. Geez, I can't count tonight. 4 to the 4th power, and 4 to the 4th power is 256. To write the value of 64 as a power with a base of 4, I am doing 4 to the 3rd power, because 4 times 4 is 16, and 16 times 4 is 64. So I used 3 4s to get that answer, 4 to the 3rd power. 35, 5 squared is 25, plus 7 is 32. 21 minus 9 plus 2. And then I go from left to right after my exponent. So 21 minus 9 is going to be 12, plus 2 is 14. 2 to the 4th, 2 times 2 is 4, times 2 is 8, times 2 is 16, minus 3 plus 2 times 5. So now I'm going to multiply 16 minus 3 plus 10, then left to right. So I subtract 16 minus 3 is 13, plus 10 is 23. And then my last one here, 2 to the 5th power, is going to be 32, minus 4, minus 3, times 2 plus 1. So 32 minus 4 is 28, minus 3 times 2 plus 1. Now I'm going to go to the other set of parentheses, so 28 minus 3 times 3. Multiplication comes first, so 28 minus 9 is going to be 19. This is the end of the Module 5 practice test. Again, you only have to watch what you need, or what you may have questions on. If you need anything else before the Module 5 test tomorrow, please let me know.